Good afternoon, everyone. This is Pastor Joe walking up the stairs of 1235 Lambert Close, the main entrance to the church. I wanted to show you around the brand new renovated area here. We're about 2/3 of the job done, but I wanted to show you what we've done so far. Just coming up, you will see that these railings are going to be replaced by something that's a little safer and done in stainless steel. Right away, you can tell that there's quite a change in the color scheme of the place. We've had it entirely repainted, and it looks much more welcoming and warm. Up in the ceiling, if you want to zoom up there, you will see that we've replaced the lighting with all of these gorgeous LED lights, which creates this warm and welcoming atmosphere. Totally redid the ceiling, and so things are much cleaner and neater, and we just love the way that it looks. If you want to turn to the right a little bit, we will show you some changes that we've done over, hi Pastor Lindsay, over at the Welcome Lounge. We've opened up the entrance so the traffic flow is a lot easier. It's a very popular room, and we just put in this new air conditioner which cools the whole foyer from one end to the other. If you want to follow me this way, I will show you the other end here, and what used to be back in the day, the senior pastor's office used to be here, and after that it was changed to various different kinds of rooms. An usher's room, there used to be an old sound room that was tucked in the corner, and we've totally redone it. We've opened up the walls here. You'll recall you used to have to walk in like this, but now it's all free and open, and this is a brand new room. This is our resource zone. So you'll see right away we've redone the floors with this beautiful porcelain tile. And if you want to come in the room and look to your left, you'll see we have a self-serve giving kiosk, and this enables you to donate to Evangel privately and safely with Interac or a credit card. And then if you turn to the right a little bit, you will see these two kiosks set up in our resource zone for purchases and registration. So if you have cash, you can do the transaction here. If you're using electronic method, you can do it here. And we'll have different resources on display that relate to the message or different things that we are doing. And it makes it so much more convenient for you to do those transactions here. On this side, we have opened this up. We have another washroom available to you, which wasn't there before. And then if you turn to the right, you see these pre-existing washrooms are still here. We've put some heat in here to warm it up in the summer. And then down the stairs, there'll be new railings there as well to help entry and exit and make things a little more safer for our seniors. If you want to follow me back over here and you take a look at these doors, these are going to be replaced by glass pane doors, which will make a much more welcoming atmosphere as well. And when people go up to either entrance to the balcony, that's going to be housed with a glass door solution too. So if you follow me down the hallway, I want to introduce especially the parents to something brand new for your kids to make it easier to check in. And on that note, I'll introduce our children's pastor who you know well, Pastor Lindsay Thompson.
Hey guys. Well, you can see there have been a lot of changes here in the front foyer, and one of the changes that we've made is the addition of this touchscreen computer. So what this allows us to do is it allows us to register the children of Evangel into this computer, and that way it makes it easier for you, and it allows us to have more accurate information. And all you need to do is come up to the computer, enter in your phone number or your name, and then you can find yourself and then register for that morning. So it's very easy to use, and it's going to be a great addition. And so I'm very excited about this new feature that we've added to the lobby for children's ministry. So I'm just going to turn it back to Pastor Joe, and he'll finish up.
All right, well, thank you very much, Pastor Lindsay. Look, whatever you're doing here, you're inviting your friends when they come and they need new information, when they want to register their kids, when they want to buy something. Listen, when they want to use the washroom, we are here to serve you and to make your experience better and easier so that you can worship God. God bless you. Enjoy the new foyer.